Hey guys, here's Robbie, your credit coach, with another weekly tip. And this week I want to talk about how many points do credit inquiries affect my credit score. There really isn't a number as to how many points your credit score can drop when you apply for credit. So just do this. Only apply for credit if it benefits you. My lease was up. I needed to get a new car. There was no other way around it. I didn't want that car anymore. So I had to apply for a new car. Since I have good credit, they only ran it once, got approved, boom, done. Then I ran it again to save some money. I saved $960 a year. It's a 5-year loan. Do the math. Now that's a price that I'm willing to pay for my score to drop a little bit. So only apply for credit when it benefits you. I'm not applying for credit because I want a 10% discount at Macy's or Target or wherever. Bullcrap. Don't do it for that reason. Because there really isn't a number as to how many points your score could drop. But from my case, it dropped 38 points. That's a big difference. If I was applying for a home or I was doing something like that, 38 points makes a huge difference in my interest rate. If I try to refinance my car now, my payment might go up. So guys, the number of points that it could drop your score shouldn't matter to you. It doesn't matter. What matters is how many do you have. The more inquiries you have, the more credit hungry you look. Keep them to a minimum and only apply for credit when you need it and when there's a huge gain, whether it's financially, emotionally, do it. Other than that, do not apply for credit. Okay, guys, I hope this week's tip was helpful. If you have a credit question, please send me a message, send me an email. I'll be more than happy to answer them. Talk to you guys later.